In our day and age, we're surrounded by a lot of data. More than any other time in history, we just have piles of data. Data tells us about the hockey stats. Data tells us about music trends. Data tells us about our future. Data tells us about trends that will impact our daily lives. In many ways, we just have too much data. There's no way that we can be knowledgeable and well-read enough to keep up with all this data. So how does a scientist or a researcher who discovers some really interesting or important trend share this important data with the general public? You know how we say, sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words? In the same way, we can say that a graph is sometimes worth 1,000 numbers or equations. A graph is sometimes the most effective way to get a point across. Using graphs, we can share data that has taken really specialized researchers thousands of hours to gather in a way that the average person can understand within a few minutes, if they know how to read a graph. Graphs are powerful. Ask any journalist, scientist, or researcher, and they'll let you know that a good understanding of graphs makes for very powerful communication. Understanding graphs and graphing is also about understanding how people can manipulate less knowledgeable people by using graphs. Knowing how to recognize these tricks will allow you to be somebody who can accurately interpret graphs and reach logical conclusions.